In this video, you will learn how to create a navbar in Webflow. Open Webflow Designer, start a new project or open an existing one. Add the navigation bar component. From the app menu, drag the navbar element onto your page. Customize the brand section. Replace the placeholder logo or text with your own brand name or logo. Edit navigation link. Click on each nav link to rename them. Rename them about, home, contact or any other name and set the link targets. Style the navigation bar. Use the style symbol or panel to adjust fonts, colours, spacing and layout to match your design and theme. Make it responsive. Switch to tablet or mobile view and adjust the layout or use a built-in mobile menu toggle. Publish the site. Once you're all done and you like the look of your nav bar, click publish to see your navigation bar live. Now you know how to create a navigation bar in Webflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.